park here down to the marina there, and then a bit further into the town, and there's the gym. So that's where I'll be going shortly. You'll see that. First day here. I probably won't film today. Little tropical hut out there as well. It's pretty sick. I thought they wouldn't let you drive. Hello.
Holding on right now to this little camera, it hurts.
Now you ain't gonna believe this. Look, fucking bird shit on my shoulder on the way to the gym. Right, this is not the way I wanted to start the video, but bird shit on the shoulder before we hit chest. What the fuck? Maybe it will be good luck. Gotta try and get it on with this. That's rank. Love that. Nice way to start the chest session off, if you can even hear me because of the fucking wind. But we're gonna get in the scooter to the gym. Literally just left the hotel, which is mad. I bet my hair is so gay right now. Anyway, we just parked the scooter up after that fucking bird poo. Let's say incident, shall we? But yeah, we're going to the gym. It's about a 25-minute walk from the hotel. So I get a scooter there and I walk back when it's not quite as hot out. Gonna hit some chest and back. So that should be decent. Mate, this island is so windy, it's insane. I forgot to say, we're in Fuerteventura, I think that's how you say it. It's another Canary island near Tenerife. But we're filling up with food, we're looking big. Bulk is happening when I get home. I'm thinking about starting Retatruside. If any of you know what Retatruside is, I'm thinking about starting that when I get home to get a little bit leaner again, and then just like be full at the same time. Anyway, that's another story for another day. I'm fed up with this wind messing with my hair, making it look like I've got a gay part in. What is this? It's called Bailey's Gym. I think a week pass was like 20 euros or something, so fucking good deal if you ask me. But I've been on the Milano tan, so I'm looking dark. I put a clip of my tan by the last day up on the screen now. I'll put up a clip of my tan on the last day while I'm editing this. But yeah, here's the look of the gym. It's located in like a little villa area, but I'm at a hotel far away. Anyway, I'll catch you in there. Need to get like sorted in that. I've already taken like 2 scoops of pre-workout, so I'm fucking wired right now. Start with flat machine. It's heavy without even the plates. I did it the other day. I did like, I think it was a plate and a 10, so a plate and a half. So I'm gonna try a bit heavier than that. But yeah, we're gonna start with this and then move on to some incline afterwards. Either incline Smith over there, or I might hit some incline dumbbell, because why not?
Hey there, are you for real? Luminite, I'm sorry, but I have to admit, I'm not even angry about you anymore. It's just that the world feels so wonderful. Throughout heaven and earth, I alone am the honored one. Everything you want, sure could be. Take a leap of faith with me. Everything you want, sure could be. monster. No bones are broken. That shockwave was an application of Limitless. So he poured the positive energy generated by the reverse curse technique. All of these things I can handle.
I finally grasped it on the verge of death. The reason you're going to lose is because you didn't chop my head off.
I'm gonna lose. Our fight is just getting started.
You could be right. You're so right.
Something's off. No, this is perfect. You're dead. Hollow. Purple.
Yeah. Me, I'm sweating. Alright, that's chest done. Did 2 sets of this and a drop set because we've done 4 different chest exercises. Because why not? I can blast the chest out while we're here. I'm so pumped. I can't even bounce it right now. But we'll get onto some back now. Cut to that. Fuck. I bought a stringer as well. Bought Breed Divinity string upper back to match the shorts, so I'll wear that for the next bit. It's so warm, man. Alright, so for back, I always do pull-ups to start, as you know, but after that, do 1 pull down, 2 rows, and 1 pullover movement always, but like I'll switch up the what's it called, the order of it. So just like mess around with some of the machines here, because it's different, but always 1 overhead, 1 like pullover, either machine or cable. I'm doing cable in a sec. We'll do that to start off back, and then at least 2 rows to hit different angles, like a low row and a high row, or upper back row and a lat focus row. Anyway, we'll hit them and then get onto might do some biceps at the end, but probably quite fried after that. We're wearing the Breed Divinity stringer. I think the site's still open, so code SEALB on that, save 10%. But we're gonna get into this. I'm a full stack this. I'm not strong, it's just fucking the weight's light, I promise. I am that strong. we're done. I'm gonna hit a quick few sets of hanging leg raises, probably like 2 or 3. Oh shit. I haven't done abs in days. Normally I do them 2 times a week at home, every morning. No, every other day. Every morning with fasted cardio, but at the hotel there's no like bar to hang from. So I'm gonna just do them every other day at the end of the workout here. So let's run the sets of that, get out of here, walk back. I brought a little scoop of protein with me in a little bag. So I'm gonna have that afterwards to get the protein straight in the muscles so it can stop repairing. But we're pretty pumped. So we'll get the leg raises in and then we're done. Got another variation. It's like a windmill kind of. I haven't done these in so long. Because I'm like probably like 8 kilograms heavier than I was. So it's gonna be harder. Yeah, no. Used to get like 20 though. Got the old school fucking change room. You already know some gear's been pinned in here. Might have to join them. Anyway. Oh, I need a piss. I've never sweated so much in my life. Oh, Breeds Vinity shorts as well, site's still open, so go and get some, code CROB, because it's getting summer and it's warm. And these shorts are so sick. They're like mesh, like basketball shorts, so go check them out. Fucking hell. Pro-Sups, chocolate protein this time, so code CROB on that. Okay. It's alright. Yeah, oh fuck, look at this Mustang. Hey. I need me one of them. Next car, Mustang, trust me. Anyway, yeah, chocolate protein, 25 grams. It's got like little bits of brownie in it, so it's fucking sick. Just the regular whey, it's like concentrate and a mix of ISO, so it's like 130 calories for 25 grams of protein. So code CROB for 10% off, I think. So go check that out. I don't think anyone has made an order from Pro-Sups with my code, so someone out there, if you want to be the first, go run it up. But we're walking back now. Got a post on Instagram and that's my little routine. And then we're gonna get some food by this like little marina spot, looking out on the boats, where we're doing some jet skis tomorrow, which you probably saw at the beginning of this video. I'm gonna try and film it on the GoPro. If it's in the video, I did it successfully. If it's not, I probably lost GoPro in the sea, and that's 200 quid down, so I'm a bit fucked if that happens, but yeah. I'm gonna try and get as much as that as I can. My sister hopefully can film some at the back, but that'll be it. We're gonna go back, get some food, probably a pizza or something, because I haven't had one the whole time I've been here and I've really craving one. So I'll catch you in the next video. That'll be the end. Hope you enjoyed. We're getting shredded when I get home. Rest of Trutard incoming, because I'm a bulky boy right now, but it's been like 8 weeks since my show, so I call it a mini bulk of 8 weeks, and then now I'm gonna do a cut to get a little bit leaner, and then like sort of main gain for as long as I can to build muscle, because I don't like being fat. I feel fat, it's like body dysmorphia, it messes with my head. So yeah, catch you in the next one.